The four best friends go on a journey around the house, then trying to break the spell. Now it's 1:51. Them had to act fast. We had to go somewhere like in the kitchen, right? For sure. Oh, what are we waiting for? We chopped for like 4 hours. I have to make them know I actually still alive. Wait, you heard that noise? That sound like Subway Pacific? Ugh. Wait, how you survive? Him kill me, but him not seriously got injury damage. I still alive, but I have total injury. You have to save me, please. I think I have enough of time to survive. Okay, let's send you to the kitchen. Thank you. We're here. Jeez, I don't have a lot of time. Okay, I have one power. The holy pile. The power of Jesus. Oh, I'm back. Now I feel no more pain. But I think the other ones have seriously injury. I'm not sure them as survive. Yeah. No, I don't want to die. Me too. One power. Oh, the Holy Bible. The power of the Holy Bible. Ooh! I kill him. Let me check. Yep, still alive. Let's go. Hold up. We fly, right? Yeah. I want to do this already. Going on the trip in the Furby secret power in the through the sky. We realize sky. And 2 minutes later, what time it is? Hold on, let me just check on my clock. Bruh, it's 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock already? Bro, calm down. I think I'll wake up Matthew. Yeah, I agree, yeah. Lord help me. I had not. I think I wake him up. We have to run. I will get you. Stop. You want of your soul. Oh, that's the way. Wait. Wow.